Hi guys, if you want to set a reminder for mail in Gmail so you can respond to it, later on and you don't want to forget it, here's what you're gonna do. Go ahead and open up your Gmail, right? And select the mail that you want to set a reminder to. Let's say this mail, okay? Now what I'm gonna do, you're gonna click the three dots at the top right. And then you're gonna see the tools right here, or the options. You can see snooze, move, label, mark as not important, mute, and all that stuff. I'm gonna hit snooze, first one. And now you're gonna be able to schedule when you want Gmail to remind you to respond to this email, right? Let's say tomorrow at 8 a.m. Okay, and now I snoozed this mail so I can respond to it later on. If you want to double check if they're gonna send a mail in the time that in the timing you scheduled, let's click the three bars at the top left, and you're gonna see under the start, you're gonna see snoozed. Press it, and as you can see, this mail has been snoozed until tomorrow 8 a.m. and then tomorrow 8 a.m. you're gonna receive the mail. You're gonna receive the reminder that you should respond to this email, and you're gonna go and respond to this email at your own convenience. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.